Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start with both devices ready. Make sure your iPhone is unlocked and nearby with Bluetooth on, and the camera app open to the shot you want. Once done, press the digital crown on your Apple Watch and open the camera remote app. It will automatically connect to the active iPhone camera. Make sure the phone is steady or on a tripod so you can frame without touching it. This step links the viewfinder on your watch to the camera for remote control. Now use the watch as your remote viewfinder and control panel. Rotate the digital crown to zoom in or out, and watch the iPhone preview update so you can refine composition. Tap the preview on the watch to force focus and exposure adjustments, and swipe or tap to access flash and timer icons. Choose a 3-second or 10-second delay if needed. Make small adjustments to framing with the phone or tripod. These controls let you set precise focus. When you're ready, tap the shutter on the Apple Watch to capture the image. If you used a timer, it will count down on the watch so you can get into position. Once captured, tap the thumbnail on the watch to preview the shot, and then check the photo in the iPhone Photos app for full resolution. If the watch cannot connect or the preview is blank, toggle Bluetooth, close and reopen the camera app, or restart the watch to re-establish the link. That usually fixes connectivity issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.